Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rapid Fills here, and today I'm bringing you a scalping concept going long. If you follow me on Twitter, you saw that today it took only longs, which is very odd for my trading style, but I do take longs as well. And today I wanted to share with you how I actually did it. First of all, I'm now a financial advisor. Everything I do say in these videos is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Most of day traders lose money. That being said, let's jump into it. And let's go bring in the charts. This is my scanning platform. And it has very nice charts, so I thought I'm gonna do it here. So let's start by how did this stock fall in my lab. This thing was gapping up about 65% today. So I was waiting for this stock to do a move. So WORX wasn't gapping up too much to the point where I was like, all right, this thing has to come down a little bit and relax. And it wasn't too low where I want to kind of grab it for a quick scalp off of support. It was kind of in between where I wasn't sure what's gonna do. And right off the open or in the pre-market, you can see here the stock kind of started putting waves, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And then it started coming down as a pullback, and it's still holding lows, right? So out of the open, this thing kind of yanks down to the downside, which usually this traps shorts. So when that happened, I was now looking for a move to the upside. And the stock started pushing higher. When it started pushing higher and it couldn't really come down, all right? So it couldn't come down to consolidate under the level and then start breaking down. That would be done. However, the stock was consolidating above the level. So that's the first clue that I got from the stock. It was consolidating above this level that I was watching. It's consolidating above the VWAP, which is the this thick line right here going across. And also we had a very nice test wick right there. As soon as I saw that we have a pull, we have a consolidation above a meaningful level, above the VWAP, and then we had a wick that got bought back up, I immediately started buying the stock. So I bought the stock and I was waiting for this flag to break to the upside. At first it was kind of like whippy, so I had to trim a little bit, but as it started coming up, as my level was the 40 mark, I was looking to take profits. It was very nice. So it's a very easy way. I say easy, but you gotta train your eyes on it. If you're really zoomed in, you can't really see it, but if you zoom out a little bit, you can see how the flag is forming, how it's a very nice flag, and then it's consolidating above a meaningful level, and it tested the VWAP and it got bought back up. A lot of eyes on the stock. It's gapping up today and still holding trend from pre-market. Everything says this thing is gonna pop, and sure enough, I took it for a long. Let me bring my chart here really quick. You can see how I traded this. Here we go. I saw the wick right there. I started buying, started dumping a little bit as it was kind of getting stuck, and then it started kind of releasing. I was taking profits as it was going up, and then the last piece took it off when it lost this level, because again, once it loses that level, it becomes a lower high, right? I was expecting this to hold, and sure enough, this thing held, popped, couldn't make a new high, and it started trending lower for the day. So that was my first trade on this. On the stock, it's a very nice, easy pattern to recognize. One, you need eyes on the stock. Two, consolidation above a meaningful level. Three is some kind of confirmation that the stock is actually going to do what it's going to do. Something similar to this happened a few days ago, actually. And if we go back to NVOS, which is this, I think it was this day, yeah, the third day. So the stock was moving up about 60% at this point. This is the third day. And what I saw, let me go in 3 minutes here, maybe the chart will show better. So the stock is up, stock is trending on the daily, a lot of eyes on it. You can see the volume, it's been trading for a while. And what I saw this day, it was the move up above yesterday's high, and it started consolidating above the prior day's high. As you can see, it's almost the same thing. And then retested the VWAP right there. It gave me another confirmation. And then I waited. I just gave it a couple more seconds because this is the third day. So I wanted to be as conservative as possible on the stock. And then I started buying right here. Started taking off profits right around here when it started peaking out. And then I was waiting for this to just shoot all the way to the 50. And it was going up and down, and I took another piece out, I think here, before the 50, and then when I saw the wick, I just took it off. If I saw the wick getting bought back up off of this level again, this would have been another signal to kind of add for another push through 50. That didn't happen. Here's my chart for that trade. Again, same concept from the 13th. Flag, retest the VWAP, consolidation above a meaningful level, and eyes on the stock. Cheapy's been flying left and right. So I kind of added here, took some profits, took more profit when it got stuck, took it off on the wick, and that was the fuel for the last push. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll just see you in the next one. Peace.